Hello, so I'm making a series of videos about my trip to Tokyo in 2012. The video that you're watching right now is part 7 of this series. So if you want to learn more about this trip, about why I went to Tokyo in 2012 and why am I sharing right now in 2024, I recommend that you watch part 1, which is the introduction to this series of videos. Alright, so this is Japan and Tokyo is here as you can see. Jeudi 2 août 2012. Skype de 5h30 à 6h30. À l'école jusqu'à environ 12h50. Alright, so there you know the drill again. I walked from the house to Kosuge Station, took 3 trains to Shinokubo, and then I walked from Shinokubo to the language school. So basically I stayed in Tokyo for a month, and for the first 3 weeks I had Japanese classes in the morning. Repas jusqu'à environ 14h30. In there the mood was really great, everybody was really nice. I got the opportunity to talk to a lot of different people coming there to Japan for different reasons and learning Japanese for different reasons. À Shibuya avec Louis et Esther d'environ 15h à 18h30. And there were 3 people who I really became friends with. So that was Louis, Esther and Sylvia. So Louis and Sylvia I think were in the same group as I was, beginners. Like even though I had studied for a year at university before, I felt completely lost. So yeah, I was in the beginners group. And Esther was in one of the most advanced groups. She was really good, like her Japanese was just really, really good. She would sometimes explain things to us in the streets and stuff. Louis and Esther were both Spanish. They didn't know each other before, I think. And they came here for fun because they loved Japan, they wanted to learn more. And Sylvia, I think she was from Malaysia and she came to live in Japan because I think she married a Japanese man. Not too sure, but yeah, she wanted to live and work in Japan, so she wanted to get better at Japanese. So yeah, if you hear me reference in the notes Louis, Esther and Sylvia, that's them basically. We basically spent the afternoon in Shibuya, just relaxing and shopping and whatnot. Shibuya. Wait, hold on. So Shibuya City? Shibuya is a special ward in the Tokyo metropolis, Japan, a major commercial center. Shibuya houses 2 of the busiest railway stations in the world, Shibuya Station and Shinjuku Station. Right, so I think that the Shibuya crossing is basically Shibuya Station, no? Hachiko exit. Shibuya Crossing, Hachiko, Tower Records, Starbucks. Shibuya Scramble Crossing. Right, so that would be Shibuya Crossing. Image capture September 2023, by the way, by Google Map. Starbucks coffee, is it that Starbucks coffee that we went to? I don't know, like it was in 2012, it's probably, like things have probably changed. Right, so let me try to find it. So Shibuya Crossing, okay. Hachiko. I think Hachiko is like, I think the statue of Hachiko is like right on there, like right somewhere. Yeah, that's basically there, next to the crossing. Right, so that's Shibuya Crossing there. Okay, so that's Esther and Louis. Right, so that's Hachiko. Yeah, Hachiko statue. The Nation Museum. Just so many things to see everywhere. If I wanted to do like all the things that I thought were interesting, that would take me like years to do. Tower Records. I don't know if it's still open. I think I've read somewhere that the last Tower Records closed at some point. No, Tower Records Shibuya. That's basically a huge records shop. Boom, Tower Records. No music, no life. How cool. How cool. Yay, Tower Records. It's a global thing. That's not the same as the images we've seen on Google Maps.
What is that?
Hongaku.
Hongaku?
Hongaku.
Music for adults.
Yes.
Hongaku.
That music is very nice. I listen way more to J-pop now than I did back then. I'm not filming people's butts, but because I wasn't daring to film at face level, I just had the legs of people and their butts. Ooh, that is cool. Oh, what a building. Oh yeah, so this lady, for example, she's looking like straight into the camera, so I definitely asked her if I could take a photo of her, because she looks cool. That was also like sort of a way to practice my Japanese and to get out of my comfort zone. How many Starbucks just in Shibuya are there? Seriously, so many Starbucks in Shibuya. I know, like, I remember that we had a view over something. Was it that? Was it the one that's over Shibuya Crossing? It is highly possible that it's that, actually. Okay, so the crossing, actual crossing of the Shibuya Crossing. I think I was holding the camera above my head. Was that Louis jumping in front? Puis jusqu'à environ 19h, big camera. Then, big camera. I can't believe how many times I went to like camera stores in there. In Shibuya, yeah. Big camera, Shibuya East. Yeah, big camera. Rentrer à Kosuge à 8h. And then from there, Shibuya. Back to Kosuge again. And to the house. Okay, so this lady, for example, she's not looking straight at the camera, but I do remember asking her because I think I liked her hair. Like, she's all blurry, but that's just me being bad with my camera. Doo-doo. Yeah, Kosuge Station. Wow, nighttime. Pretty cool. That's a cool view. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching it, and I will see you tomorrow in a new video. Bye!